Hi, I'm Marinor Arrieta. I'm 39, a Filipino citizen, and I came from Japan. I wanted to open my own salon in Japan, so I searched online and found Mikwang Beauty Academy. So I took the 6-day skincare program. During the 6 days, I learned about the right skincare routine. And I learned about how to use the different machines and different skincare products they have here in Mikwang Beauty Academy. And the instructors and the teachers are so helpful and attentive, so you will learn a lot about the right skincare to use, the products, and the various machines. So you will be very educated when you finished here. Before, I just do the skincare routine on easy way, but now I am more educated and confident on how to apply it on myself and also to other people. This academy is very nice, on-hand training and very meticulous. And you will learn a lot and very professional when you finish. Vivian is very pretty. She's very strict, helpful, and you can understand very, very much about the Korean skincare routine. My plan is to open my own salon, and I plan to apply what I learned here in this Mikwang Beauty Academy. Yeah, I think online class is also good, but I think it's best to learn in this school. So it's more practical and hands-on training with the models, so you can apply what you learned right away. Yeah, because I'm more educated now on the correct skincare routine, and I think I'm more meticulous because of what I've learned here, and I think I can take care of their skin very well. I learned that the step-by-step procedure, and it's very nice. During the 6 days program, I practiced on 4 models, and I learned to take care of them properly. If you open your own salon, I think the clients will relax and come every week because of the services that you can provide them, techniques that you learned here. So during my learning here, everybody's been so nice and so attentive, and they provide a very delicious lunch. Everybody's so friendly and so warm. So you will feel at home even when you're not in your own country. So you should come here and learn the great things that they will teach you here in Mikwang. I learned to treat the acne, and I learned to use the HIFU machine, and I also learned the MTS, the BB Glow, the green peel, BB peel, the volcanic bubble peel, the gypsum mask, modeling mask, jelly mask. Everything's so nice. Korea Mikwang Beauty Academy, 좋아요. K뷰티스쿨, 좋아요.